In the heart of our community, you stand tall, guiding us through life's journey, answering the call. With wisdom and compassion, you light our way. Your faith and dedication shine brighter every day. Pastor, we thank you for all that you do. Your love and devotion, your spirit so true. In every sermon and prayer, we feel your care. Pastor, we thank you for always being there. You lift us when we're weary, give hope when we're lost. With every word of kindness, you help bear the cost. Your counsel and your teachings, they touch our hearts. You are our shepherd. In life you play a vital part. Pastor, we thank you for all that you do. Your love and devotion, your spirit so true. In every sermon and prayer, we feel your care. Pastor, we thank you for always being there. Through every trial and blessing, you stand by our side. In your guidance we find strength, in your faith we confide. Your tireless dedication, your unwavering grace, we see the light of God's love in your face. Pastor, we thank you for all that you do. Your love and devotion, your spirit so true. In every sermon and prayer, we feel your care.
बाबांनी आज्ञे केला आपल्या हातान दवरून म्हाका ग्रेस केला तिचो बरी म्हाका बाबांनी आज्ञे केला मनशांक जिवीत वांटून बापाक जिवीत भोगता.
आपणा बेकरीचो काम करता त्याच मागीर विसा येता परत घरा वयता आपणा आवय बापूय ब्रेकफास्ट दिता असले कोस्ट करून
बरे भाशेन तुमी मांडला आनी सगळी एसोसिएशनान बराबर रावन हो वाव केला. त्या पासून तुमकां काळजांत देव बरें करूं. देवाचो आशिर्वाद तुमच्या जिवितांत आसूं.